Hey, Tyler here. Well, I've been noticing a lot of people struggling to use each and every. And if you're one of those people, I'm gonna help you right now. The reason some people struggle with this is because sometimes it doesn't matter if we use each or every, but sometimes these words have different meanings. If we're thinking about things separately, then we use each. For example, let's say that I'm here explaining something to you, and I give you four examples so you can understand what I'm explaining to you. And then after giving you the examples, I tell you,
Please study each example carefully.
what I'm telling you here is that I want you to study the examples one by one and pay attention to each one of them. We can look at each and every in this way. Another thing about each is that each is more commonly used for small numbers. For example, if I tell you that I have four hats and each hat is a different color, or imagine we're playing a game with some friends and I'm explaining how to play the game.
So you're gonna give each player 3 cards.
Now, if I'm talking about things in a more general way, then I need to use every. Every is more like Oprah, is more inclusive.
Like you get a thing, everybody gets a thing.
Practice 1, 2, 3.
We use every if we want to refer to things as a group. It's similar to all. So if I tell you that every house needs a roof, I'm talking about all houses in general. So we're putting all of these houses in this one big group. And that's why we usually use every for a large number. For example, if I tell you that,
I love watching movies. I've watched every movie on Netflix.
see how I'm just putting all of these movies in this one group? Now, there's some things I want to mention here. Whenever we're talking about two things, we can only use each. For example, in a soccer game, we have two teams, and each team has 11 players. Since we only have two teams, we cannot use every team. Well, I hope you got the idea of how to use each and every. One thing you can do that can be really helpful is to start paying attention whenever people use each and every and ask yourself.
Why did they use each or every?
That's going to help you understand things and make sure that you remember how to use it. That's it for today, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything I can help you with. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next video.